Wednesday, January 8th, and look who's back. It's Uncle Larry. Out of the blue, all the way from the God's country of Saskatchewan.
Yeah, come up, see if you guys are working or
Oh, yeah. Well, we're wondering when you're going to come by and supervise. What are you helping out with today?
oh, you're putting the floor in that Bombardier.
Oh, we're at the stage where we're putting in the floor. Okay. So we're apparently going out for dinner here tonight.
Yeah.
What do you think of the paint job on the 79? Doesn't it though? It did. It looks nice and brand new, and we got Koop in there. Looks like he's doing some cleanup. And like we mentioned the other day, we got the doors all hanged on. Now, are these your seats or the seats that came out of here? Okay, so we're cleaning those up here too. Probably getting air.
Those are Eric's and his are next for cleanup.
Okay, so these are going to get armor rolled and installed back into place. And like I said, Koop's in there just doing the final touch-up. I'm going to try and get this machine out the door here tomorrow. So you guys might actually see this video of us rolling out of the shop, touring around the yard before you even see this video. Because despite us posting videos 3 times a week, I might even put it up to 4 times a week, because we're about a month behind in what you guys see online versus reality. Anyways, these guys are busy making noise. We'll check back in with them. So the floor that Dad's going to install right here, they got the angle iron out here yesterday. They've already got it riveted into place on both sides. And they've even got this back place thing in for the transmission guard to be installed. So this is banging along here. Peter's got to get his engine and transmission to us, and like I said, they're already cutting the wood. They're likely going to have to build that front brace there too as well to cover up the diff. And so 3 guys here. Bit of a surprise with Larry showing up, but he jumped right in for the job. Well, it's Thursday, January 9th. I just finished work for the day, and this is late afternoon, and Dad and Peter and Larry, who came for a visit yesterday, and Koop, they're all working hard on both machines here, getting everything cleaned up. And we're gonna go check in on what these guys are doing over here. Peter's doing some painting on his Snow 75. And Larry's been helping out here all day. He just got back in. He just did some snow shoveling outside. There he needed to be able to open the big bay doors there. We're gonna move the 79 out of the shop and do a tour around here. I think Dad had a few last things he had to do here, like hook up the gas tank and whatnot. So we'll check back in with these guys and see what the progress is. Like I just said here before, Peter was doing some he was doing some painting. He's got the spray can out, and they're closing up the front and doing all the painting there. As you can see, he's got all the guard back on there so that they don't overshoot the paint. And I know what Koop is doing here is he's using a gas wash to get a lot of the dust and the paint off the windows here. That's the only way to keep it all clean. And we're gonna have a big massive shop clean out here once we get the 79 out of the shop. So what's going on today? Idling. Okay. Okay, did you guys remember to hook up the gas tank on the 79? Okay, we'll go take a look here. You guys will probably see this video well after the for sale video comes out, but we'll just show you here. So, was the coolant levels up?
Yep.
Okay.
The light is on. The tank's in.
Right, yes, the lights had to go back on, and the fuel tank is back in. Almost no gas. I hope there's gas on the other side. And these are the little things Dad had to do here, and lots of gas on this side. So we're going to do our final checks here. Larry and I just on the other side of this door just did some shoveling because it's going to be frozen solid. As you can see, Dad's cleaned up quite a bit of stuff here. I got Larry's seats all wrapped up. The seats for this machine were all cleaned up. This is all vacuumed out and whatnot. So this machine is ready to go. And they spent 2 days cleaning the interior. And so that's beautiful upholstery work there. And yeah, as you can see, less dust in the shop and whatnot. We're going to have to do a thorough cleaning once this machine's out of the shop because as you can see, there's this gray paint dust everywhere. And we're probably going to end up starting from back up top over here and then blowing out all the dust again from the shop out and sweeping up. So Larry, did you have a good time here today, buddy? Yeah?
Got lots of stuff.
Yeah?
Yeah, put the windshield wipers on.
Okay.
Gas tank in, put the tail light on.
Well, Larry popped in yesterday and announced from Saskatchewan, came for a visit. We love having Larry around. He's like our adopted uncle around here, gets right into it. So we're gonna go home for supper tonight. Chicken stew and buns, fresh buns. Okay. So as you guys can see here, there's still a layer of dust on here, but Koop is actually wiping everything down. And we're gonna blow off this machine. We're gonna let this paint dry here too. I'm kind of really surprised at how quickly everything got done here. The next steps are, like, we already have the diff in. We're gonna be installing the drive shaft and transmission and motor next. That's got to come from Peter. And yeah, other than that, it's just gonna be a lot of the interior work. Obviously we got to put more wheels back on and bogies, but like I was saying earlier, we got to move that machine out first before we can do anything at all. Okay, so the wipers you got back on.
Yeah, the wipers are on their time. The tank and the electrical's all hooked up. So there's only one thing left to do, and I'm going to climb in there and see what's in that bag.
Okay.
But there's spare oil, fire extinguisher, everything in here.
Okay.
And we got 2 spare tires.
Okay.
Go with it.
Okay.
They're for front tires when
Yeah.
you take the skis off.
Yeah. So Dad's just crawling into the back there. There's an extra bag back there, and Dad just wants to make sure it's nothing important, or it's important and it has to stay. I know there's a bunch of spare parts that have to go with this. It's like cleats and stuff like that. So Dad's just doing the final cleanup, and then we're gonna roll it out. And that rollout video is gonna be the for sale video, likely. What was in the bag? Anything important or?
Fire starter, first part.
Okay.